Where are we at?
Dude,
What are we doing?
about to go win some motos.
Are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
What'd you come here to do?
Pull a whole shot, leave them.
Did you do good on your schoolwork?
That, I can't answer that.
Oh,
This week we got schoolwork.
this week you got.
A's and B's.
A's and B's?
A's and B's.
What's the goal?
For this or school?
School. You only get to ride unless you get A's and B's.
Yeah.
Have fun, all right? See you.